Have you heard about holistic health? It can look like a quite complex concept, especially if you look to the online definition. But it's in fact based on a simple idea. Wellness doesn't limit to the state of our body. Our mind has also a huge part to play on our well-being. Based on that, we are what we eat takes a totally new perspective. What's a balanced diet? A diet that makes us take no weight or something that contributes to our health? Does food really need to be tasteless to be healthy? Mrs. Cuisenier tells us about the nutritional assets of bread.
Holistic health encompasses physical and mental well-being. Sourdoughs have the power to provide comforting emotions and revive childhood taste memories. This is called comfort food. Bread can also be an ally in improving one's health. I'm thinking, for example, of bread enriched with vitamins and minerals, sourdough bread, which can potentiate the minerals contained in certain whole grain flours, thus making them more accessible to the body, or bread enriched with non-animal proteins, such as those produced by fermentation, for example. Through its leavened dough, sourdough, and Bake for Care nutrition and wellness ranges, Lesaffre offers solutions to bakers to provide healthy and tasty breads.
Thank you for watching and see you soon to decipher more trends.